what to expect as we head into the evening hours. We are going to see our wind still a little breezy out there, sustain out the southeast at 16 miles per hour. 68 degrees right now will slowly fall into the mid 60s. There's a chance for some patchy fog as you're headed out the door tomorrow morning as the wind gets a little lighter, but we may have just enough wind where it's very patchy, right? Because that mixes out the fog. It doesn't allow that cloud to really form or settle in at the surface when we do have windier conditions. So as long as that flag is blowing, we should be okay on the morning commute. But I do want to emphasize you should be prepared for some patches of fog, especially if your commute does take you a little bit more inland. So this model showing inland Nueces County through the airport could be dealing with some pockets of low visibility around 5 a.m. That could continue through about 8 a.m., but we should mix everything out late into the morning, so by 9 a.m. Sea fog is expected as well with that warmer air traveling over our still cool sea surface temperatures, and the air is getting warmer by Thursday. We could be in the mid to upper 80s in Corpus Christi and even, once again, the 90s for inland locations. Low temperatures overnight, 64 degrees. Corpus Christi will be in the mid to low 60s across the region. This is warmer than last night, by the way, so if you thought it was a little warm this morning, it's going to be even warmer tomorrow. On your Wednesday, we'll kick things off in the 60s, warm back up into the 80s. Our average high is 72, so we will be well above that, but it doesn't look like we're going to get into any records. All of our record highs for the week ahead are in the 90s. Temperatures, again, are warmer than normal. Our normal low is still 60, I think it's 62 degrees right now. 7:05 a.m. is going to be our sunrise, 6:23 p.m. your sunset. We're 3 weekends away from that time change, by the way. Forecast high temperatures will be 83 Corpus Christi, 86 Kingsville, 90s once again for areas inland. That's because you're going to be even drier than the coastal locations. As we take a look at our temperature forecast, we stay warm and muggy through Saturday, but Saturday's our day of change. So if the cold front starts inching a little bit earlier, that could lower temperatures on Saturday. But for now, it looks like you won't feel colder until the overnight conditions into Sunday morning, but definitely by Monday morning. Look at this. We have 40s on the board for Monday morning and Tuesday morning. So that's when the sweaters or the jackets may be needed once again. Here's a look at our forecast wind. It stays rather breezy throughout the upcoming week. We pick the winds up on Saturday with the front. Sunday still rather breezy. Those gusts, especially Sunday morning, Saturday night into Sunday morning, we could have some gusts that are 35, 40 miles per hour. So keep that yard decoration and secure as we head into the weekend. Tomorrow, by the way, is still another breezy day as well. We are going to see a dry line kind of keeping us in that warm and humid air mass that keeps us with the chance of fog and low stratus early in the morning. That breaks into the afternoon. We do it again. As we get into Saturday, the front is stalling, but what happens is high pressure builds to the north, and that's what pushes the drier air and the cooler air in as we head into Sunday. Taking a look at that 7-day forecast, here's what you can expect. As I mentioned, I'm not getting rid of the rain chances just yet for Saturday, possibly Friday, but it's really going to be kind of drizzle, mist if we do get anything, and that would likely be just a trace. It doesn't look like this round of cold front or this cold front will bring a round of thunderstorms like we saw with the last one, but it is on a Saturday again. So Saturday seems to be the day of cold fronts so far this February.
Every weekend.
It has been like that.